spreading rumors, they don't know what I did for you. It's all for you. I'm crazy when I'm next to you. To chase a bag and get...
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking about, drumroll please, White Label Hair Company. So I know a lot of you ladies follow them on the gram and you see how incredible their hair looks and they install it on celebrities. And I noticed that, usually celebrities get their hair done, they don't keep their hair in long. I wonder why. So I actually don't have it installed right now. I had it installed a few months ago, and I had it installed for, I want to say, about maybe a week or two. Y'all, this hair, basura, trash. Okay, $500 for a unit, and the hair is maybe I got the wrong density because I only did 130. But I feel like even if it was 150, the quality of the hair, it's just would have made it seem so much more nappy. So here it is. This was a 20 inch or a 22 inch, I forget. I'll verify and put the link below. This was a unit, full lace. And if y'all don't believe me, I'll put the little tag in there, White Label. I have tried everything for this hair. So many different products, even natural products. Like the first install, the hair was flawless. I'll put in pictures, but like, come on. This is a wide tooth comb. Come on. Like, y'all see that? I personally, the lace was nice. Like, don't get me the wrong, the lace on it was nice. But, the quality of the hair was not good. I'm highly disappointed. My money was wasted. I will never buy a unit from them again. Maybe it's for people who buy one unit and then throw it away because they don't need it for anything else. But for people who use their hard-earned money to buy these things, they should do better. Yeah, I was just very disappointed because for months now I've been dying to try this hair, and that's what I got out of it. I mean, I don't know. You guys, I'm just saying it's not worth the $500 because you can get hair somewhere else that's so much better than this. So much better. So much better. So much better. Look. You can just look at the way it looks. Even look at it compared to the hair that I have in. This is supposed to be a top tier hair company, guys. Top tier hair company. I had the wig installed by my hairstylist, and then the first couple of days, it looked phenomenal. I loved it. It had it straight at first, so I did feel like it was a little thin. So then I went and, I curled it or whatever. It still was a little thin for me, and the curls didn't hold, really. The curls didn't hold at all, to be honest. I'm just so disappointed. I spent so much money on that hair. All in all, my review would be from a 1 to a 10. Maybe about a 5. I've had worse hair, but for me to pay $500 for it and for it to be like that, yeah, no. Highly, 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 highly disappointed. Save your coins, sisters. Save your coins. Well, guys, like I said, overall, don't do it to yourself. Do not do it to yourself. If you're gonna buy good hair, reach out to me. I'll let you know exactly what hair to buy and who to buy it from, because White Label ain't it, at least for the normal folk. It just ain't it. Thanks, guys. Thanks for tuning in.
the Zans, but she talking like it's Henny. She texts me, said she really feeling empty. She crazy, cause my love can feel it friendly. I love her, but I still don't think she noticed. When I'm with her, all my problems focus. Come on, baby, let's go crazy, let's go psychotic. Cause I got a lot on my conscience. Cause I got a lot on my car. Come on, baby, let's go crazy, let's go psychotic. Let's go psycho. Come on, baby, let's go crazy, let's go psycho.